Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Vaishnavi and you're watching Wonders of Creations. And for today's video, I will be sharing with you guys two gift ideas which are best for any occasion. One will be very creative and one will be so simple to do and a quick DIY. So without any further ado, let's get started with our first DIY. So for our first DIY gift idea, here I will be using some snacks. So you can pick any kind of snacks that the person like to eat. And for today, I will be going with some red and golden colored snacks. So next, I will be using a really small box. Usually I use this box for my packing purpose, but today I will be using for this project. And next I am placing some dry grass, and you can also use some crepe papers or thin sheets of thermocol. It's up to you. And next, place these chocolates and snacks one by one as shown in the video. So another important point is color theme. Yes, actually color themes plays an important role. So when you pick these snacks, so consider picking one kind of colors, like for example go with a red one, or you can go with yellow one, you can go with blue, green, pink, any kind of color, but go with a color theme. And this idea is like best for everyone because everyone loves having snacks, so you can go with their favorite snacks. And next I'm dressing it with some ribbon. And now I'm just quickly making a DIY flower. Just simply get creative and just decorate it in your own way, and voila, we are done. So now without any further ado, let's get started with our second gift idea. So for this I will be using a plywood which I got from a local hardware store, and I customized it from a local carpenter store. And next I will be painting it with some black acrylic color. Actually it's not black acrylic color, but it's some kind of oil color which I got from Asian Paints. So you can also spray paint it, so it's totally up to you. So if you use acrylic color or any kind of spray paint, it hardly takes you 10 to 15 minutes to dry, but these Asian paints take at least 6 to 12 hours to dry. So after painting, allow it to dry completely. Actually, there is a reason behind using this Asian paint. Usually acrylic color or spray paint does not give us much shine comparing to this Asian paint. Actually, this Asian paint is some oil based paint, so this gives you a bright and shiny look comparing to the normal acrylic colors or some kind of spray paint. So that is why I prefer this Asian paints. I will link it down for you in the description box. If you want, you can check them out. And next I will be using some small nails, which is approx 1-inch nails. Next, print off the person name to whom you want to give this gift. Next, secure the paper as shown in the video using some tape. And then next, start hammering the nails into the wood. So you can see some yellow strokes around the letters. I created that as a reference. So take that yellow stroke as a reference and start distributing the nails along each letter. And also make sure when you hammer the nail in, you only want to hammer them in about half a way. And guys, for this project you need lots of patience, because working with nails and hammer is not a game. So you need to be very careful, and at the same time you need to be very patient, because it took me around 2 days to hammer all these nails. And if any kids are watching this video, please don't try this DIY at home. It's a very risky, and if you're planning to try this, then take your elders' help. Between this project is not what you see in the video. It's a really a big task to hammer these nails in. It takes you lots of time and effort, so be patient. And once you are done hammering the nails around the letters, take off the paper from the wood as shown in the video. So now if you carefully see, we left with a nailed outline of our word or a name. So next I will be using different colored yarn, which I have. So now tie the end of your first colored yarn on a corner of your first letter. And then start by wrapping the string along the outer line of the letter. And also make sure to loop the string around each time as shown on the video. So now if you notice, we left with outlined letter. So later I will fill the inner area. I will tell you how to do that too. But before that I will quickly outline all these letters. And now once you are done with outlining the letter, start to randomly wrapping the string around the nail all over the letter. Basically, here we are trying to fill the inner area using the string. So there is no any order to do this. Just wrap the string around the nail and then wrap it around another nail. And once you are satisfied, don't forget to tie a knot at the end. So once you're done, it's gonna look something like this. So once you're done, do follow the same process with the other letters. And by the way, don't forget to secure the ends well. And now we are almost done. All I'm doing now is just giving some detailings around this plain surface. So just make some hearts, arrows, or you can write some names or anything. It's up to you. You can be creative in doing this. So just get creative and decorate it in your own way. By the way guys, if you still don't know, then let me introduce my store called Craft My Paper. Basically it's an online store, so you can sit at home and you can message us through WhatsApp, and we deliver it throughout India, and we deals with all sort of creative gifts, especially handmade and customized gifts. So you can directly message us through WhatsApp and you can place your order through WhatsApp. So don't forget to visit my store. I will link all the details of my store in the description box. So check out the description box. And we are done. So here is the close look, and do let me know in the comment section which idea was your favorite. Hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my post notifications. Love you all. Bye bye. See you in my next video. And don't forget to check out my other videos.